Okay, so this is the Altivar ATV320, and we are going to have a setup for a 2-speed fan motor here. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use the digital inputs here. So we have the 24 volt power supply, DI1, DI2 and DI3. And if you see here on the bottom, we have the mains input, one phase, and we have the 3-phase input here. That is for output for the motor. The switch here is we have the 24 volt on the common side, and we have DI1, DI2 and DI3 on each switch here. First of all, we need to program the standard parameters for the motor. So we press enter on the ready here, and we find configuration, and we go to full, press enter, and we go to SIN and press enter. And now we are going to find the standard motor frequency, BFR. BFR, 50 Hertz as normal here. And then we have the rated motor power. Here you can adjust how many watts you'd like. Actually it's in a kilowatt. So I had to just go to the lowest I had here, because this is a very small motor on 50 watts. Let's see, so press escape again. And then we have rated voltage, 230 volts here. And then we have the rated motor current, also from the nameplate of the motor. I had to just put in the lowest I could. You see, I cannot come any lower than this. So, and then we have the rated motor frequency, and that is also 50 Hertz here. And then we have the rated motor speed, 1410. I'm not changing anything here. You have to see what's on the nameplate of your motor. And then we are going to look for the ITH, that is the motor thermal monitor current. And that is the current that you don't want the motor to exceed. And again, here I just put it as low as I could. And then we come to the ACC, and that is acceleration time. How many seconds will it use to accelerate from standstill to full speed? 3 seconds is the default. I'm not changing that. Deceleration, the same. I'm just using the standard settings here. Now we come to something that is very important. LSP, low speed. That is the speed you will have if you just press button 1 or button 2. And I didn't tell that, but I can say now. Button 1, digital input 1, that is the motor going the right way. Digital input 2, if you press that one, it's going the opposite way, the reverse way. And the LSP is the speed it will start at when you press one of those buttons. So LSP, okay, now I have 15 Hertz here. We can increase that to 20 Hertz. Like this, press enter. And we set the low speed. Then the next one is high speed. And here we just, if you want to have the motor to have the possibility to run at full speed 50 Hertz, okay, you just leave it there. If you want to have it at 45, okay, you go down to 45 and press enter. But we'll leave it here at 50. And that's the initial settings. Now we are going to tell the unit what speed we want to have when we press the third button. So then we go out to ready again, and we press ready. We go into conf, we enter full, and this stands for SIN as we had in the starting. We will now look for something called fun, F-U-N. And there it is. And now, I did the wrong thing again. I should not press enter when I go to this ref. Now I'm looking for the PS5. PS5. And then we press enter here. And here we have preset speed 2. And this is a 2-speed solution, so this is where we are going to be. And now we are going to tell the unit which digital input is activating the second speed. And here you see we have input 1. That one is busy. Input 2 is busy. So we choose to have digital input 3, like this. And then we are going to enter the speed we want to have at this second or the high speed. So now we are going to find, there it was, speed 2. And just to do this again, the PS S5, 52 and 13. So when I press that one and go back, we can find here the speed, standard speed 2. And here we can select what hertz this one is at full speed. Okay, I want to have it running at full speed here. Press enter. And actually, that's it. Now we're just going back to ready. Closing. And we start. And it's running at the 20 hertz that we told it to. We can press the last button here now. And it goes to full speed. Switch off. And it's going the other way. And you see now you have the minus in front of the hertz. And then we're decreasing the speed to 20 hertz. And we're switching off. So that's it. I hope you understood the wiring. And this is actually from a factory reset unit, so it's no other programming than what I showed now. So I hope that this will help. So have a jolly good time.